and foremost, of course, we need to pay for our bus ticket. However, you can also take any transportation vehicle. For students, the bus is ideal considering the location is quite far. Here are the budget breakdown. Rise and shine! Today, we will take you to our newly discovered destination, Kawinan, Davao City. Are you ready?
Kita ka na guys. Mana akong giato na. So very. Pang kay guys. Mana akong gisaka guys. Hoy, asubaw!
A few moments later. 6.5 hours later.
What a productive day to start! Nature feels, it boosts our younger souls. Sceneries you will love to revisit, a place worth spending time with your friends and loved ones. Though it was quite tiring for us transferring from one vehicle to another, but the experience and the view were worth the effort. The sound of birds and the water flow slow down our stress mind.
Saksi ang langit sa mga mata kong anigid ka po yun, ug ang akong dughan. Kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sangpito, di ko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog uban, di sana sa